Get ready for the next generation in nozzle design. Arvan rotary nozzles are engineered to deliver the most efficient coverage while making installation and maintenance faster and easier. With a full line of adjustable, full circle, and strip models, Arvan can handle any job, big or small. Let's see how Arvan outperforms MP Rotator to set a new standard in rotary nozzles. Arvan's greater arc adjustment range allows you to cover areas of any shape with just 9 nozzles, ranging from 8 to 24 feet. Hunter's MP Rotator comes in 15 different models and takes 4 nozzles to do what Arvan can do in 2. Quickly adjust Arvan's arc and radius by hand. No tools needed. Simply push down and turn the cap clockwise to increase the arc up to 270 degrees. Turn the radius adjustment dial clockwise to increase the throw distance. The MP Rotator requires a special tool that is easily lost and difficult to use. Arvan nozzles are engineered to allow dirt and debris to pass right through. But if a nozzle should happen to stick, simply pull up firmly to flush it out. A clogged MP Rotator requires replacement. Leverage Arvan's match precipitation rates to simplify design and zoning. Compare that to Hunter's MP Rotator, which requires multiple zones and multiple valves to accomplish the same thing. Arvan's gentle rotating streams create uniform coverage at lower precipitation rates, reducing wasteful runoff and costly erosion. Arvan requires 33% shorter run times versus MP Rotator and is ideal for time-restricted applications. Arvan's larger droplets and thicker streams cut through wind and keep water in the target zone. The MP Rotator's smaller droplets and thinner streams mist, allowing them to blow onto sidewalks and hardscapes. The difference is clear. Arvan is up to 30% more efficient than MP Rotator. All Arvans are match precipitation with 5,000 MPR rotors, which effectively extends Arvan's reach to 35 feet on the same zone. As you can see, Rainbird's Arvan rotary nozzles outperform Hunter's MP Rotator across the board. Rotary nozzles have evolved. Advance with Arvan.